Piet. Piet is a stack-based esoteric programming language written by David Morgan Moore in 2001, where the programs are written as colorful bitmap images instead of text. It was based on Piet Modrian, which is this guy, and he is known for his geometric color block artwork. These are some of his artworks. So the code in Piet instead of characters or keywords looks like this. So this is what the code looks like. It looks like abstract paintings. This is a code that prints out hello world. And because of this feature, it often appears in programming challenges and showcases with the goal is to write functional yet visually aesthetic code. How does that even work? It uses 20 colors, out of which 18 are related cyclically to a lightness and hue cycle. So the changes in the lightness and the hue of the color determines operations that are done on the stack. A single stack is used for data storage and together with its operations. This is some terminology in Piet. Caudal is like in a Piet is like an image's pixel. Color block is a group of caudals of the same color that are adjacent to each other. And a directional pointer moves along the code and decides what caudal needs to run next. It changes directions based on black color actually. So when the directional pointer encounters a black color, it turns clockwise right. And when it does not find any more code to execute, that's how the program terminates. White color blocks, however, act like blank spaces, and the directional pointer just goes through them, not making any changes. These are some Piet commands that make changes on the stack based on the change in the lightness and the hue of the color. Passing over to Sam Stuckey.
Thank you, Bhumika. Now on to the live coding. I have a Piet editor installed here, as you can see. So the program we're going to want to be writing today will be a simple program that prints out hi onto the screen. So since this is a stack-based language, how we want to go about approaching that is pushing the ASCII value of H and I, 104 and 105 respectively, onto the stack. Using coddles of those size would be the simplest way, as I'm showing here, even though these are not the exact size that we would want. It's good enough for our example here, and then simply outputting them there and outputting the next one again off the stack, and then terminating the program with black output. So this would be the simplest Piet program we can make. Moving on to an actually finished, creatively designed version. We have this with our comments and wonderful code styling. Here we're pushing multiple things onto the stack, adding them together, multiplying to get to those ASCII values, and then printing them both out. And if we run it, you can see that it prints out hi. And yeah, thank you for watching this display, and I hope you've learned to at least try Python.